Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Manley International Airport and we're going to give you an update on some major changes made out here. Now where you see the Jamaican flag, that is where the Air Jamaica tail used to be. But they have removed the tail and put up the flag and renovated the entire roundabout. They put up those little concrete, barricades to make sure nobody drives up there, either intentionally or by accident. And they put up two very nice, I would say interesting signs. Straight ahead is the NMIA sign for the Norman Manley International Airport. And then on the other side is the Kingston sign. And these signs aren't just painted in one color, as you can see, they have murals on them. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now the entire roundabout has been remade. They're putting bricks and a walkway. Very nicely done. And it was done by Pacal, who operates the airport. Now remember, the Jamaican government owns the airport, but they have a concession agreement with Pacal, so they will operate the airport for a certain amount of years. And here you can see, very nicely done. Very nicely done. And now we're going to see the Kingston sign. And remember we said they use murals instead of just one color. Alright, there is the Kingston sign. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And they removed the Air Jamaica tail, which was a symbolic symbol for Air Jamaica. And they were to put it in a museum. I'm not sure if it has reached into a museum yet. Well, if it has, they haven't announced which museum. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.